Alright guys, in this video we will see how to pivot into other machines using the Metasploit. So in the previous video we have seen using the proxy chains, and also I have explained the theory. So I will just briefly explain about pivoting. So this is a Linux box 104, and this is a Windows 7 machine which is in the same network of this Kali Linux 103, and it has also another adapter 126.128, and it is connected to this Metasploitable machine. So okay, we cannot connect from Kali Linux to this Metasploitable, so that's why we need to compromise this machine, and then from here onwards we need to pivot into this machine and scan the machine. So let's do that. We can generate the shell code. So okay, now we need to generate the meter-beta reversal. Reverse underscore TCP and set the host and the report to our Kali Linux IP address, and say exe output, say something temp.exe. So I have already created this one, so it's in my I have renamed it as 103.4444. that is 103 is the IP address and the 444 is port. So okay, I have already created this one. So you can see here, this is I have transferred to this Windows 7 machine. So before running that, we need to set the handler. So we need to set the payload, set it as Windows meter-beta reverse TCP. Copy this, paste here. Show options. Now set the host. Show options. Now everything is set. Now let's run the handler. So okay, our handler is running. Now let's run this one. So we'll get the connection. So if you are doing the machines like in the hack the box or try hack me, so you will get the initial access of this shell. Okay, now type the if config. So you can see there are so many adapters. So you can see the adapter 192.126.128. this is our machine. So it may be there may be some other live host in this subnet. So to add route to this, you need to run a module called auto route. Run auto route. So it will add a route from the Kali Linux to this Metasploitable box via this session. Run auto route -h. Okay, it says this one is deprecated. You can also use the post multi manage auto route. So you can also use this module. So for now I am using this auto route. So I need to specify the subnet, and I can say 192.168.126.1/24 and hit enter. Now the route has been successfully added. You can see added route to this subnet via this 103. So okay, let's background this and say route print. So 103 is our Windows 7 machine. So subnet, there is a route to this subnet and a net mask via this session 1. So if the session 1 is dead, we do not have access to this Metasploitable 2. Okay, now we can search for port scan. So you can use this fifth one and show options, and you can set the R host. And I'm keeping the port simple 1 to 100. And set 3 threads. So IP address has been set and the ports have been set. Okay, now let's simply run the command. So you can see 21 is open, 22, 25, 23 open. So our port scan gets completed. So that's how you use the Metasploiter auto route module to add a route from this Kali Linux to the other machine via this compromised host. So it is very simple using the Metasploit, and I will show you how to use the socks also. Let's say socks proxy. Yes, auxiliary server socks proxy use 1. So let me display the options. So you need to set the proxy on this side, and then you need to similarly port forward using the SSH, or you can already route is there, you can set up a socks proxy and you can scan this machine, and this will be transferred to this Metasploit v2. So it's similar, but here the session, so here this session will act as a bridge between our Kali Linux and the Metasploit v2.